Welcome to the ultimate guide for NFL Sunday Ticket, your go-to way to watch every game, every Sunday. NFL Sunday Ticket is the exclusive service that lets you watch all out-of-market NFL games, giving you access to every Sunday game live, no matter where you are. Whether you're a fan of your local team or follow multiple teams across the country, Sunday Ticket ensures you never miss a play. How to sign up and access. Getting started is simple. First, visit the official NFL Sunday Ticket website or sign up through your TV provider. You can access the service through a variety of platforms, including streaming on your smart TV, mobile app, or online platforms like YouTube TV. After signing up, choose the package that fits your needs, from the basic package to the full package with Red Zone access. Features and benefits. With NFL Sunday Ticket, you get more than just games. The Red Zone channel keeps you on top of every touchdown across the league, so you'll never miss a big play. You can also pause, rewind, or rewatch games, making sure you don't miss out on any of the action. Additional tips. Make the most of your subscription by customizing notifications, so you get alerts for your favorite teams or games. Plus, NFL Sunday Ticket allows you to stream multiple games simultaneously, perfect for the ultimate NFL fan experience. Now you're ready to dive into the action with NFL Sunday Ticket. Get ready for a whole new way to experience the NFL season.